In this video, let's talk about how do Ford wheel spacers work on your F-150.
Ford wheel spacers are aftermarket parts that are placed between the hub assembly and the wheels. The role of this part is to increase the distance from the wheels to the hub assembly, thus achieving the position of the wheels to push outward. The position of the wheels will bring many benefits. The first point is the direct change in appearance. Most of the vehicles in the wheels factory setting are in favor of conservative offset data, which lead to the appearance of the wheels presented in the phenomenon of dispersion in fenders. The wheel spacers can push the wheel out slightly, giving it a more fresh look with the fender. The second point is to allow for bigger brake kit. If you want to upgrade bigger brake kit, which often require more space for installation, wheel spacers are used to provide more space for the wheels and brake to avoid friction. So you don't have to worry about this brake kit rubbing against the wheel. Wheel spacers can solve this problem. In addition, BONOSS wheel spacers itself is forged from 6061T6 or 7075T6 aluminum alloy material with high-strength tensile and yield properties. For anyone seriously considering the performance potential of their cars, heat dissipation is something that should not be overlooked. BONOSS FT cooling Ford wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of aptly dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Ford wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety.
Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.